Are you ready to use Download Monitor to add your first download? You will have a live download in no time if you follow the step-by-step instructions in this tutorial. First, you need to head to your WordPress dashboard and go to Downloads. Click on Add Download. You need to give a title to your download. For our example, the title will be My First Download. Scroll down to Downloadable Files or Versions. Here you can upload your file from your computer or from your media library. Upload a custom URL or browse for a file. For our example, we will upload a file from our media library. After you select your file, you need to click on the Insert File URL button. Once you are happy with all the settings and options, you can scroll up and hit the Publish button on the right side. This is how you create your first downloadable content on your WordPress website.